Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free all-in-one Windows optimizer software for any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as Sparkle by Parkwell, and you will see a tons of websites. First website you will gonna see is its official website, and the second website is its developer website. So you can use either one of this. So I'm gonna use the first one. So now you can see a download option. So you can click on this download to download this software. So I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install it, and after that just open the Sparkle software. So now you can see some instructions. Just click on this as recommended. So now you can see the user interface of the software. So on the left side you will see various options. So let us go through it one by one. So the first one is a dashboard. So under the dashboard you will see your computer systems hardware's information here, how much RAM, CPU, which operating system you are using, different types of information here regarding your system. And next option is a tweaks. So under the tweaks you can see debloat Windows, ultimate performance power plan, tons of options, so you can check out by yourself. And next one is a cleaner. So under the cleaner you can clean temporary files, clean pre-page files, empty recycle bin, clean Windows update chassis. So let us clean this by clicking on this run cleanup. So finally we have clean the Windows update chassis. So you can clean the temporary files also by clicking on here, clean run cleanup. So we have cleaned the temporary files also. You can empty the recycle bin, or you can clean the pre-page files also. So we have cleaned the pre-page files also. And next option is the restore points. So you can restore different options here. And next is utilities. So under the utilities you will see a various options like run system file checker, run disk m, help restore, run disk check, tons more options here below. You can check out by yourself. And next one is apps. So under the apps you can install or uninstall the various application. And the last one is about the settings. So under the settings you will get some more options here itself. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free all-in-one Windows optimizer software for any Windows computer that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs up button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.